If you've ever cut the power to your cooker or oven, you'll notice that the clock timer needs to be set. Now, in some models, this will actually stop the oven from working completely until you've set the time. So let me show you how. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you all makes and models of oven timer that are available. There are simply far too many to cover off in a short video. What I can do though, is show you the two most common types of timer layout that are available from Hotpoint. Now, this is a common type of oven with 3 buttons and a display. This oven won't work until you've set the clock timer. Now, if you've reset the power recently, this should already be in clock set mode. If it isn't, all you have to do is press the clock button until the clock symbol flashes. Then press the plus or minus button until you're at the desired time. When you're happy, press the clock button there, and lo and behold, the oven will work. Now, setting a 6-button timer is a similar affair. If your oven has neither of these two timer designs, you'll need to refer to your instruction manual, many of which can be found online. And remember, if you have a Hotpoint oven or cooker, you can live chat with our service team, who'll be able to talk you through any timer troubles at hotpointservice.co.uk.